Top 7 best business ideas in US for beginners. You don't need $1 million. You don't need a Harvard MBA. You just need the right idea and the courage to start. If you've been dreaming of starting your own business, but you feel stuck or overwhelmed, this video is for you. Here are the top 7 best business ideas in the US for beginners in 2025, low risk, high potential, and perfect if you're starting from scratch. Let's jump in. Number 7. Personalized gifts and print on demand. Think custom mugs, shirts, tote bags, planners, even dog bandanas. The best part, you don't need to touch a single product. Thanks to print-on-demand platforms, you can create and sell designs without inventory. You only pay when someone buys. Got a creative streak? Design for weddings, birthdays, fandoms, teachers, parent niches are endless. And with tools like Canva and AI design generators, you don't need to be a professional artist. Number 6. Freelance services on the side. Have a skill, turn it into income. From writing, editing, video captioning to social media management or voiceover work, the demand is constant. Sites like Fiverr and Upwork are still growing. And as more businesses move online, they need affordable talent fast. Start small, build your portfolio, and watch your prices rise. Begin with just one clear service and get known for it. Number 5. Reselling and flipping. Garage sales, thrift stores, Facebook Marketplace. What others throw away, you can flip for a profit. People are making real income flipping vintage clothes, books, electronics, sneakers, even furniture. It's beginner friendly, it's fast, and it's surprisingly fun. Start with items you already own, then reinvest the profits. Your home could be hiding your first paycheck. Number 4. Digital products and downloads. Create it once, sell it forever. That's the magic of digital products. Think ebooks, templates, planners, Notion setups, stock photos, or guides. Got experience in something? Package it into a PDF, a Google Sheet, or a ready-to-use bundle. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or even your own site can automate the whole thing. This is perfect if you want passive income without dealing with shipping or inventory. Number 3. Pet services and products. Americans love their pets and they spend big on them. From dog walking, pet sitting, to homemade treats or custom collars, pet-related businesses are booming, especially in suburbs and cities. You don't need a storefront. You can start with your neighborhood or even offer mobile services and go straight to your clients. And if you're a pet lover, you'll be making money doing something you already enjoy. Number 2. Content creation plus affiliate marketing. You don't need millions of followers to earn. If you can create useful, engaging content on platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram, you can build a niche audience fast, then monetize with affiliate links recommending products you love and earning a cut from each sale. Fitness, fashion, books, finance, tech, parenting, every niche has room. Start with what you know, share your real experiences, and let the content work for you 24/7. Number 1. Local service-based business. Simple, profitable, and timeless. Whether it's house cleaning, lawn care, car detailing, tutoring, organizing, or furniture assembly, local services are in constant demand. You don't need an app, you don't need a huge following, you just need one good client to get started. Word of mouth spreads fast when your service is great, and many of these businesses can hit $3K, $5K month in just a few weeks. Even better, you can hire help later and scale it beyond yourself. So, what's stopping you? You don't need the perfect plan. You just need the first step. Whether you want side income or to go full-time, these business ideas are low barrier, high impact, and beginner ready. Tried any of them before? Thinking about launching your first business? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your story or your idea. And if this video sparked something in you, hit that like button to help more beginners find it.